welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to open up this iPad. And this is the old one.
Yeah, this is the old one. This one actually cracked after about...
I think we were in Florida.
Yeah, on our way back from Florida. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice diagonal crack right down it. I heard this new one is even less durable, so we'll see. This is the new iPad Pro, 12.9-inch Wi-Fi, 512 gigabytes.
And it might be super easy because you just have to pull this off.
Yeah, I just pull that tab. Made the packaging really easy on this one, huh?
Yeah. Ooh.
The one thing I didn't like is you saw like the new Apple Watch is gold and the new iPhone is gold, but this one only comes in silver and black. And this is the silver version. Alright, you ready to open it?
Yeah. Whoa.
This,
This part looks cool.
I'm going to take this out.
My daddy has, the old one is white. This time you got a black iPad.
Yeah, this one's, well, it's black on the front. Yeah, the old one is white on the front, but the new one doesn't come white on the front because it's more edge-to-edge display.
And it has this.
It has a big camera bump,
Yeah, like that
which
one didn't
the
have.
other one didn't have.
Just has.
Nice and flush.
And that.
This one's also USB-C, so you can connect a lot of stuff to it. And then again, I've heard you can also not connect a lot of stuff to it, but
What is this for?
you can see the antenna band go across the top.
You can see it there.
The charger for the new Apple pencils right there just magnetically clips right to it. I don't have one of those yet, and I'm already getting fingerprints all over it. That's okay. I definitely got the Apple Care with this one because I broke the last one and I heard this one's much less durable. Everything Apple Pro did some drop tests on it, and it still worked, but it cracked a lot easier. So let's see, how do we turn it on?
That's
not-
good because it doesn't have one of those buttons like your phone.
I'm pressing the button.
Maybe it doesn't have batteries.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh yeah.
I held it down the first couple times and it didn't go. So let's see, we'll do kind of a comparison with the old
Taking the charger out.
iPad Pro.
Taking the charger.
Okay, honey. And then, so you can kind of see.
Oh, you're going to break it.
No?
And here's the charger. It's a little tangled up a little. But
So now all the lightning chargers won't work with this one that I have, and now I'm gonna have to just use USB-C for this one. So,
and Daddy, you don't have one of yours.
well, we do now. It's this one that you're using as a belt. So already it's not being very responsive to me. There it goes. I'm getting worried about this already.
Why are you getting worried about this?
Because it doesn't seem to be working all that great. But let's see if I can. I'll join the Wi-Fi later, I think. Maybe not. I was hoping to, let's see if I can pull up Wi-Fi real quick.
Okay, while he's doing that, we're gonna unwrap this. Oops, scare me. Guys, remember my last video when I put the car over and I said, ah, that scared me. And I did that again, but without saying ah.
says if you have an iPhone or iPad nearby, you want to sign in automatically, but it's just, obviously I have it right by, but, oh, there it goes. Set up new iPad, unlock, Face ID, alright. So, now it's got like the, it's got the little circle matrix thing like they do. Just make it easier. Just put the phone right up to it.
And guys, I forgot to tell you this while Daddy was doing that. But when you're done charging it, it can easily come out. But not with me a lot.
Yeah. Let's see what else is on. See what else is in the box. We got the iPad Pro.
We got the stickers, which I like. We got some stickers.
And the stickers, which you won't ever see on a fake. At least I don't think they've done that yet so far.
Stickers!
As I said, I really wish this came in a gold back like this one did to match all the other stuff. It just really doesn't make sense why they didn't come out with a gold version. And what because that's your favorite color too, huh?
Yeah, gold.
Here you're putting a sticker on your hand, huh? And then now it wants me to set up Face ID on here, which works from. It's supposed to work from every.
An apple is on me, and it's a white apple, and somebody took a bite out of it. What are you doing?
Just getting Face ID to work. You just kind of slowly move your head around. And then it's set up.
And then it knows it's gonna be yours.
Well, then it recognizes my face. Yeah.
So what happens if you spin your head like this?
Well, it says just spin your head slowly. See there's a bunch of dots that project onto your face. You just can't see them. And it kind of maps out your face so that whenever you're using it, then it'll know that it's you instead of somebody else trying to get into your iPad. So evidently this is taking forever.
And guys, I was trying to trick you that this was an apple, but I know it wouldn't work since it's not colors.
The last time we were trying to shoot the 360 video unboxing and the memory card ran out on us. So, but it did give me a chance to use the iPad for a day, and I really love it. It's smooth, it's fast, it's really fluid. The one thing I will say is that, on the old iPad, you actually have, these bezels that you can hold with, and you have thumb placement there. And with this one, it feels a little more awkward because you don't have that extra bezel.
What is awkward?
It just means it's kind of weird to hold. But I think I'll get used to it. It's cool. It's going in the direction of the iPhone 10 and all the other bezel-less stuff. So I think it's great. But I do sort of miss the ability to kind of hold the sides with your thumbs. But like I said, I think I'll get used to it. What do you think? What do you think about do you have any comments? It is louder too.
Yeah, a little bit louder.
The camera,
Actually,
it has more of a bump, but I feel like the quality on it isn't as great. It's not as good as the iPhone 10, I don't think. It's probably a little bit better than the last iPad Pro camera, but overall I'm not sure it's that much better. It does have a portrait mode, which is kind of cool.
Oh, and guys, on last video we were opening this one, and remember, it has a super kind of background, and
like I said, I wish it came in gold or something other than just silver and black. And now I kind of regret getting the silver version. I kind of wish I got the black version. But other than that, that's been the iPad unboxing, and thanks for watching.